Hi, my name is Kuenzi, and today I'm going to be making a jig to sharpen wood chisels. A huge component of safety when working with wood is having sharp tools. This jig will allow me to quickly and easily keep my chisels sharpened. Here's the layout of the prototype. It has two main components made out of maple. It has a base and clamping plate between which the chisel will be sandwiched and clamped in place by two wing nuts. Alright, let's get started. First, using a chop saw, I will cut the stock to a length of 4 inches. Marking the center, I place it in a jig and run it through a table saw to produce the angle on the bottom. After cutting both sides, I will again use the table saw to cut the base from the stock, being careful to keep my fingers away from the spinning blade. Going back to the chop saw, I cut the clamping plate. Here I am marking the locations to drill the holes for the bolts. Now, I am securing the base in the drill press where I will drill the holes on the marks. Now for the clamping plate. Next, I am inserting the hanger bolts into the base. I will slide the clamping plate onto the two bolts and secure with the wing nuts. Now let's put the chisel in and see how it works. First, I am going to sharpen it on 400 grit sandpaper, and then I will finish with 600 grit. Oh man, that's sharp. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just kidding, I don't have a YouTube channel and I don't care.